Mullein and marshmallow root are two herbal remedies often used to soothe coughs and respiratory discomfort. When combined into a homemade cough syrup, they provide a natural alternative to the over-the-counter cough syrups. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of this syrup every 4 to 6 hours. For children, take 1 to 2 teaspoons. We have dried mullein leaves and flowers, 1 tablespoon of dried marshmallow root. We have water and vegan honey. This is stored in the refrigerator and will be used when anybody has a cough. And anybody with respiratory discomfort, this is ideal for getting phlegm off your chest.